Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are gonna make Bajri Dosa under 5 minutes without using rice, semolina, baking soda or any other fancy ingredients. This dosa are paper crisp. Can you hear the sound? Watch this video till the end for wonderful tips and tricks, and let's get started. Into a mixing bowl, take 1 cup of Bajri flour. Now start adding water little by little and make smooth batter out of it. And here goes in another cup of water. So I have added 2 cups of water initially. For 1 cup of Bajri flour, we will be able to make about 7 to 8 dosas. So take measurements accordingly. Now I'm going to cover this and let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes, and by the time we will cut the vegetables. So I'll be adding 1 finely chopped green chili, finely chop half an onion, also chop few curry leaves. This is gonna give nice aroma to our dosas. Now let's get back to the batter. Stir the batter well as it has a tendency to settle down under the bowl. Now we will add salt to taste, about half a teaspoon of cumin seeds jeera, and now transfer all the chopped vegetables in it. Stir the batter well again. The batter seems little thicker to me, so I'm again gonna add 1/4 cup of water. So for 1 cup of Bajri flour, I have added 2 and 1/4 cup of water. I'll be also giving all the ingredients under the video description, so please check it out. Particularly for this recipe, I highly recommend to use cast iron griddle if you have, as it gives nice crispy texture to the dosas, and this is one of my tips to make crispy Bajri dosa. The griddle should be nice and hot before you add the batter in it. So firstly sprinkle some water, wipe it out and add little ghee or oil and kind of just spread all over using kitchen towel. Each time before making the dosas, mix the batter well as the flour settles down. Now take a ladle full of batter and spread all over the pan. When you see the holes on the top of the dosa, that means that the batter is at perfect consistency. If you don't see the holes, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of more water and adjust the consistency. Smear a little bit of oil or ghee. Now let it cook for about 15 to 20 seconds without covering it. The flame is on medium. Now cover the lid and let it cook for another 15 to 20 seconds. Now remove the lid and let it cook on medium flame until you see the dosa turns brown all over. As you can see, the dosa has turned little bit brownish all over. So at this point of time, the dosa should come off pretty easy. As you can see, it is nice and crispy. Don't forget to hit like button if you liked all the tips, and hear the crunch. Don't forget to sprinkle the water and oil or ghee before you make the next dosa. I'm gonna show you one more time. If you follow all the tips I have given in the video, you will definitely get crispy dosas every time you make. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as this channel is all about healthy cooking. You can also follow me on Instagram for my daily cooking and gardening updates. Leave me a comment below if you have any question regarding this video, and I will see you soon with another great recipe. Till then, bye bye.